Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Sunday, July 15th. Tomorrow is Amazon Prime Day, so you guys get ready for the good sales. And there's something you can purchase down. Link will be down below. Get this at a low cost. Prime Day starts 3 p.m. And hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Out here in Michigan, it is warm as heck outside. So I'm staying cool in AC. Here comes a cut. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. And all the good stuff will be down below. And they have to offer, coming from Sensky. Oh, these are cool. Plug-in LED nightlight. Dusk to dawn sensor. We'll show a reveal in a second. Here we go. Be worried, and open it up. There we go. Oh, you guys can't see. There we go. Oh, it's 2-pack, I think. Cool. Definitely gonna find some spots for these. And then, here we go. Sorry about that. Brief interruption. But here we go. Boom, looks nice. Sensky. There's the sensor right there. And there's the back. High, we'll keep it on high. And there's low. But definitely keep it on high. I'm going to find a spot for it. Be right back. Alrighty, here we go. There's that rug I just got. And there she is, hanging right there. Really cool. It's pretty bright. Here's from this side. Shows the path. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, and excellent. So check them out, YouTubers. Sensky, motion light, and you guys will get one at a low cost. You guys be safe. Hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. If not, see you guys soon.